So I want to talk a bit about my experience with 1P Fund. I've been exploring trading for a while now. Nothing too serious, just trying to understand the space and find a platform that fits my pace. That's when I stumbled on 1P Fund. I didn't have huge expectations, to be honest. There are so many brokers out there, and it's easy to feel lost. But after using 1P Fund for a few months now, I think it's worth sharing my honest thoughts. What caught my attention first was how simple it was to sign up. I didn't have to jump through a ton of steps or deal with confusing forms. I started with a trial account, which had a low deposit requirement. That was a plus for me, since I didn't want to commit, a lot of money up front. The trial came with a dedicated account manager and access to a webinar. It was a good way to get a feel for things without pressure. As I got into it, what really made 1P Fund stand out was how much information they provide on a daily basis. Every day I got market updates, trading signals, and recommendations. I'm not someone who follows charts all day, so having this kind of support helped me feel more in control. It didn't feel like I was on my own, which is something I appreciate. Another thing I like was the variety of assets available. I didn't expect to have access to so many options, over 200 actually. I've traded a little bit of everything: stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, and ETFs. Having that kind of flexibility has helped me explore different markets and figure out what I actually enjoy trading. It keeps things interesting and lets me try new strategies without switching platforms. As I spent more time with 1P Fund, I looked into the other account types. I eventually upgraded to the secondary income account, which unlocked a bit more access and better tools. There are even more advanced accounts like the managed portfolio, retiree, and heritage options, each offering extra features. I haven't gone that far yet, but I like that there's a clear path if I ever want to take things more seriously. The platform itself is pretty smooth. I can log in from my laptop or phone anytime. No downloads, no complicated setup. It just works, which is really all I want from a trading platform. All in all, my experience with 1P Fund has been positive. It's not flashy, it doesn't promise overnight success, and that's refreshing. It gives you both tools, access, and support, and then lets you figure things out at your own pace. I definitely recommend giving 1P Fund a try if you're looking for something steady, flexible, and beginner friendly. It worked for me, and I'm glad I found it. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.